So if you're struggling with your PS5 controller not connecting properly, then follow these steps and it should help. So first off, the first thing you want to do if you're having issues connecting your controller to your PS5, you want to turn it off. Obviously you can't do this, but I'm going to do it for safe measure on here. But you're going to turn off your PS5 completely. If not, just pull out the power cord at the back and just power it down for 10 seconds. Okay, then you want to boot the PlayStation back up and give that another try. See if it connects. 9 times out of 10 it will do. The second thing you want to do is make sure there's charge in this, so it might help plugging it into a wall, using a wall charger instead of on your console. That's just another step you might want to try and make sure it's got a bit of power first. Make sure you've got your USB cable from USB to USB-C. You want to slot that in the front, and then you just want to connect it here, and that should sync it up. If you do get to this point, make sure you log in and double check this software is up to date. So to do that, you go down to accessories, go to controllers, and then make sure it's got the latest software. If it has, it'll just say that. If you can't do any of these steps, one final step that might work, get a pin or a paper clip, and there's a hole here. And you just want to hold that in for 10 seconds, and then it should resync. If you're still having issues, there's probably something wrong with your controller, and maybe run through these steps from the beginning once you've tried resetting that last one there.